Hello. Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course, week 17, lesson 117. Today in this lesson, we shall be concentrating upon the formulations Rishi, Rajrishi, Maharishi, and Brahmrishi. These four formulations will help us have further blissful reach along the format of Vedic systems. Rishi is the formulation which leads to Rishi value 12. Raj is Rishi is 10 plus 12. Here is 21 plus 12. And here is 28 plus 12. So 12, 22, 33, and 40 are the number values translations. So letters texts translation into numbers text comes to be this. The sthapatya here takes us to the 12 boundary components of 6 space. Further, here is the 6 space body hyper 6, and here is the Purusharth, Purush, Arth, a Purusha, Kal, time, and here is the value is Dive, Jan, 17 and 23. These formulations as these are, when are chased as a transcendental content flow from orb of the sun as 7 streams, transforming into triple and single stream and entering the creator's space from its eastern cosmic window and manifesting 8 directional frame. It is this VMST step which deserves to be comprehended well from Surya, Kendra, origin, this Saptadhara, Trimul, and Eka, Vishta. Purv is a Gyan, it is a Tattva, and it is Sthapatya. This, through the eastern cosmic window, is having an entry within the creator's space, and as a result thereof, there is a manifestation of 8 directional frame. Now, in reference to the 8 directional frame, let us see how these quadruple formulations, Rishi, Rajrishi, Maharishi and Brahmrishi are manifesting their values. See, here is 21 and here is 22. Here is 34, then 16, 24, 42, 30 and 33. See now the Rishi. The difference value here is 12. This is Rishi and it is Rajrishi. So Rishi, here is the Rajrishi and then here is a Maharishi. Then finally 16 and 24 as 40, it is a Brahmrishi. One shall sit comfortably and visit this and glimpse this, visit this. So how along the 8-directional frame manifestation within creators of space there is an happening. It is this happening which is to be comprehended. Here you see is the 8-directional frame, Purv, Paschim, Ishan Kon, here is Dakshin, Uttar, here is Nairitya Kon, and here is again Kon, Vaiva Kon. Now see, here value is 33, here is 22 and here is 34, here is 16 and here is 24. So this reach from the eastern cosmic window, the difference between these two, A is the entry of a Rishi, it is a reach as Rajrishi, then it is a Maharishi, and then it is a Brahmrishi. Once we will be parallel with this manifestation phenomenon, once we will be comprehending these two, the transcendental content flow from orb of the sun and its manifestation as 8-directional frame, and within 8-directional frame the manifestation of these quadruple formulations. Once we are parallel with it, then we can feel satisfied that we are on the proper path. It is this. So the first thing to be known is as to how from orb of the sun there is a flow of a transcendental content and the same reaches the force space through its eastern Purv cosmic window, and within it manifests a 8-directional frame. This is the first. The second is that the 8-directional frame as it is leading us to the quadruple formulations, and these are the formulations which take us to Rishi. Here is the concept of a Rishi. Then Here we are 22 as a Radha Rishi. Then here we are as Maharishi. And then finally here from north to south we are Brahmarishi. These four formulations will help us appreciate as to how blissful is this system. And it is this blissful system which will then take us as Rishi, Devata, Chand and Swara for each Richa. Now here is 12, 26, 19, 15 and 8. See, if we are with numbers 1 to 8, it leads to factors 1 to 12. So the relationship of Rishi and Richa. Then we know 12 as dimension leads to 14 as domain, and 14 plus 12 domain superimposed with dimension is 26, and it is H7 which takes up till the origin of a 6 space. Rishi as 4, 2 and 6 together as 12, and as multiplication is 48. This is reaching the dimensional frame, reaching at the origin. Now see the 26 and 19 with gap value of 7. It is Kriya. It is Karya. This is how is the relationship. They reach from Devata to, and here is Rishi to Devata. So 12 to 19 and 19 to 26. This gives us as that 6 space is within a transcendental boundary of 12 components, and these 12 components then dimensionally sees the outer space as 7 space, and within it is a split for the 5 space domain. It is this relationship, and then ultimately 15 is the G7 15, how the 7th space is of 15 versions. These features, these triple features, together with the understanding, together with the reach, as we have seen from the Surya 6 space to Brahm. It is a creative order space, and flow of the transcendental 7 streams is 28, and from here ahead we reach at the Guru, and it is 496, third perfect number. It is this feature which a step ahead will take us to 8128, the fourth perfect number. It has 13 factors. Here there are 9 factors. Here there are 7 factors. And here there are 3 factors. See, these are 32, and it is equal to 2 raised to power 5. So it is a transcendence from the creator's space to the transcendental space. These 4 steps of Vedic mathematics, science and technology deserve to be comprehended well. Let me conclude. Let us revisit. It is a transcendental content flow from orb of sun. Here is manifestation